Hey everyone, it's Kim from Colorful Spirits Art Studio in Elm City, North Carolina. I am here to talk you through this painting that I call Rejoice. I use this set of Creative Mark Pro Stroke Power Krill Ultimate acrylic brushes. That's a mouthful. And I use Creative Inspirations paint for all of my paintings. You can find the links to these items and more on my website, colorfulspirits.com, on the recommended products page. Okay, I always begin the background first, and generally speaking, if it's a large area, I use a large brush. So I use the number 10 brush, and I used shades of green. So there's Viridian green, there's a lighter green, and they are done in kind of almost a crisscross pattern, because the original painting that I did was actually a collage. It was a mixed media piece, and the paper behind the girl, it kind of had a burlap look to it, texture. So we were trying to mimic that here with the crisscross strokes. Still using that large brush, I added pops of cadmium yellow light for some contrast. Here we began painting the pink on the girl's dress, and I used a smaller brush, the number 6. And, you know, these are all recommendations to you, but you use what is comfortable for you. I added pink to the skirt and purple where the shadows would be. And white highlights really made the dress pop and gave it some, almost a 3D look. We added brown and yellow ochre to her hair. In this slide, flesh tint was added to begin painting her arm. Here, shadows and highlights were also added to her arm to give it a more 3D look. Please notice the curved strokes on her arm. Anytime you are painting something that is, round like that, curved strokes will help to create that shape. So white was added to the pink to make the highlights on the top of the arm, and even some pure white. And then burnt sienna was added to the pink to create the shadow color beneath the arm. Now you can begin to add the flowers, stems, and leaves. And just keep it loose and have fun with it. The original was very, very loose. The flowers were just made by pressing the brush to the canvas, and that little mark that was left, that was a petal. And you can see that here I used the number 2 brush and really loaded it with paint and just pressed it to the canvas, and each one of those press marks was a petal to a flower. Now this is the original finished painting here on the left, and it was a mixed media piece, so you can see there are creases in there where the paper was applied. And it was a very popular painting. I actually had prints made of it because the original sold right away. I did do a smaller version of this, but I will say that I like the original much better. I like the brighter colors, the variation of colors in the flowers, the yellow, and there's kind of almost a peachy color, orange, there's some red in there, white flowers, where the one on the right, the smaller one, just had red flowers. So I definitely prefer the original, but I'll probably keep doing other versions of it since it was so popular. Thanks for watching today. Please like and subscribe to see future videos, and check out my website at colorfulspirits.com. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.